Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
O President Jong kasengsan Partai People's Democratic Party uba bantedor lingdo ulaong baka party kanyay Pyrshah ya ka jingtmu ban wanra ya ka lenti rel hado kasnong bernihan kan baka Sarkar India kampat ay jingmenjur ban Pyntreikam ya ka airline permit hapo kani ka jilna Meghalaya. Habaya keren bat ka Batisi TV uba bantedor ulaong bakum mo menteri ubadan hapo ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ula jukren ye kani ka mat hapo ki jingelang jong ka Sarkar namar bakan bu jing mahi ye ka jilna baro ka wei dada wanra ye ka surok rel klem da don ye ki an ki ba perking.
From the government point of view, we have decided this issue and we have passed the resolution also in the House, which we already submitted to the government of India. But the thing is now is the ball is in the hands of the government of India, central government. But I'll tell you, somebody said we are not serious. That is not right. We are very serious because from the party point of view also we already mentioned and we already given the letter also to the Home Minister, which we want to implement the ILP in our state. I don't have to comment anything regarding this, but it's depend on our Honorable Chief Minister. But definitely, from the party, we have to meet him again, just to know the mind of the mind of the government also, and on his leadership. I think definitely he also is thinking about this. Maybe we can sit down and think how to move again with the government of India. This is also is very serious and sensitive issue, and we already stated, we already mentioned also in some meetings, in some important meeting with the MDA. From the PDF point of view, we against the railway head in Bernihat because unless implement the ILP, it's very difficult to tackle the influx, especially in our state. That's why we are not favored to bring the railway head in Bernihat. That's why we are again. Definitely, as a leader of the state, he have to, but it's up to the people not to decide. But as far as my information, as far as my knowledge, we see that this thing people they are not accepted till now. So that's why it's better not to bring. Once the people they are not accepted,